We are going to take you on board the United Airlines Airbus A321 XLR. Let's go. United's first A321 XLR was on display at the 2026 Farnborough Air Show, arriving fresh from delivery in June 2026 before entering service, and featured a special Born to Explore livery, which was one of the most anticipated narrow-body debuts. The aircraft can range up to 4,700 nautical miles and up to 11 hours of flight time, enabling long-thin transatlantic or regional routes. United configures its Airbus A321 XLR with 150 seats. The United Polaris Business Class has 20 lie-flat suites in a 1-1 layout. United Premium Plus has 12 Premium Economy seats in a 2-2 layout. Economy Plus has 36 extra legroom economy seats with a unique option for a blocked or replaced middle seat, and Standard Economy, which has 82 seats in a 3-3 configuration. They currently have 50 orders placed. Half of them will be in service by 2028, and they will be replacing all of the Boeing 757s. We are now going up on board the Airbus A321 XLR. Let's go. Look at that. I am such a stair person when it comes to getting on a flight, so that you get the views of the engine. Are you a bridge or are you a stair type of person? This plane has the fastest connectivity in the sky for free. The seat is a herringbone design and is angled towards the aisle rather than the window, which is specifically customised to maximise shoulder and elbow width on a narrow-body jet. It's fully equipped with semi-translucent sliding privacy doors, and it features a 19-inch 4K OLED Panasonic Astrova screen with Bluetooth audio pairing, a universal AC outlet, dual USB-C ports, and a QI wireless charging pad on the side table. The aircraft is also outfitted with complimentary Starlink Wi-Fi for Mileage Plus members. Each passenger receives standard large and small pillows. It includes a plush luxury duvet and a lightweight day blanket, and upon request, mattress cushions are available to place over the 80-inch lie-flat seat. And first thing you'll notice, a lot of space. The design of this is absolutely beautiful. I'm loving the navy here. The IFE screen is huge, and just look there at the amount of space that you have for your feet. You've got plenty of charging. We've got USB-C. You've also got a plug point, and just here we have the remote to control your IFE screens. We've got a little light here, and also a bit of storage with the headset just inside there. Overall, this is really comfortable, really impressive, and I'm just going to take hold of the camera, and I'm just going to show you just here. This is the little control panel where you can recline, where you can lay it flat as a bed, and you've also got your light controls there and also your seat controls. On these aircraft as well, like I said, plenty of space, but also you can have complete full privacy with the sliding doors. Another thing just here, I'm loving the marble effect on the sort of workspace area. That is really nice. Just noticed there, a little spot for your glasses also. I like the ambient lighting, gives a nice sense of calm, really nice feel to this cabin. The colours just go so perfectly with the navy and also the blue lighting. Really is a statement piece. Really impressed with this. This cabin features 12 reclining seats in a 2-2 layout across 3 rows. Key features are privacy dividers between the seats, leg and footrests, and 16-inch touchscreens with Bluetooth capability. Other perks include United Premium Plus benefits like priority boarding, Premier Access check-in, and enhanced dining. You will get upgraded bedding, Saks Fifth Avenue blanket and pillow. You will have noise-reducing headphones and a travel amenity kit, and dining meals served on upgraded tableware with alcoholic drinks included. Out of all of the cabins on board, this is the one that really impressed me the most, and I think this is fantastic value for money. Just to give you all of an idea of the premium product on United Airlines, this is really comfortable. The recline is great. I know I am up against a wall here. However, my feet, I am almost stretched out all the way. If I wanted to go to sleep here, I would have absolutely no problem at all. I've got so much space around by here. You've got your little station by here for drinks and complete full privacy from next to me. And just by here for comfort, we've got the adjustable headrest so that you were able to sleep absolutely fine. Very, very impressed with this. I didn't expect it to be as good as what it is. United have done an amazing job, and I'm also loving the huge size windows as well. And once again, in their premium product, you've got your blankets and you've got a very fluffy pillow. Here we've got the economy plus cabin. As you can see, obviously, biggest cabin on the plane. The design is really nice. I'm loving the colours in this cabin. Tasha is just in there getting TikToks. And the screens in here, once again, really, really nice size, really crisp. And you can see there just how crisp the screens are. The ambient lighting still runs all the way through this as well. I'm going to test out the seat for you now. Going to show you the economy plus seat. Comfortable, plenty of room as well, especially for my build, very slim guy. So I've got a lot of space, and once again, the leg room, I can stretch my legs all the way out for there. So just to give you a look, my legs are all the way down there, and you've also got charging ports just under the seat. Another thing that I've just noticed is that lighting on the ceiling. That's quite unusual, but a really, really nice touch. The economy cabin features 118 total seats, and it includes extra legroom economy plus options, all with 13-inch 4K OLED screens. Just by here is where the crew actually rest. So you've got the curtain just by there, and it pulls all the way around that top seam, and where they're able to relax. How nice was that? The A321 XLR, wow, those cabins were impressive. The one that impressed me the most was their premium product. Wow, very, very impressed by that. I could not believe how good that was.